St. Catherine councillors have been reacting to the mounting home burial requests in the parish. Submissions for home burials to the municipal corporation have exceeded 100, but behind the numbers is a story of cost, culture, and limited options. Sandy Williams has details.
Communities across St. Catherine, grief is no longer confined to cemeteries. It's moving closer. Sometimes just steps from the family home. More than 100 applications for home burials have been submitted to the municipal corporation, a sharp sign that traditional burial spaces are under pressure.
Some of these private funeral services, a vault can cost probably anywhere, $100,000 or more. And, when you bury at home, you have more, you can curtail the cost more, and cost is usually a big factor when it comes to burials. So I think that is the major issue. I think it's the cost, really. I think that's a major issue why most people, if they can, would opt to bury their relatives at home.
For many families, it's a financial decision driven by rising funeral costs and economic strain. A vault alone can run into 6 figures before labor, land, and maintenance. Councillor for the Red Hills Division, Michael Archer, is also managing director of Archer Funeral Home.
You'll find more home burial to the fact that persons sometimes family cannot afford funeral for burial at the public cemetery. However, most of the time when persons bury their loved one and their family plot, something that family would tend to go back a year later, 2 years later, put on a headstone, clean around the grave, sit on the grave, just remembering the person as they were alive. So many times you rather to have the dead buried on your private property than to go to the public cemetery.
But it's not just about money. There's also a deep emotional pull, like keeping loved ones close, preserving family connections, and creating personal spaces for remembrance.
Because when you look at the costs for public cemetery, but then again, it is what it is. Material is expensive, labor cost is also expensive. So, for the price of the vault, at a public cemetery, it will have a cost. However, doing it at a family plot, most of the time, friends, family will get together and to construct the vault. So you might find it a bit, less costly doing it at home.
And personal means freedom.
And suppose the person was a truck driver. Sometimes they would want to build it on top of the vault, build a little truck. If the person used to do a particular type of work, they would probably want to add that onto the vault, which you will not allow to do that at the public cemetery.
But while families see dignity and affordability, authorities are sounding the alarm. Unregulated or overcrowded burial plots could pose sanitation risks, especially in densely populated areas. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Thank you, Sandy. Now still ahead in Primetime News, the business review and international story. So please stay with us.